Michele Snyder, local realtor here in Indianapolis, Indiana. And on today's Weekly Minute, I'm going to give you 4 tips if you're a seller to make your move less stressful. Number 1 is you want to start early. The moment you know that that property is sold of yours, that you've signed the papers, the buyers have signed, everything is sold, and your realtor's like, okay, this is the date you guys are closing and this is the date of possession, you want to start packing. So I always recommend to my sellers that they start in areas of their home that are not used that much. You may have some guest bedrooms, maybe the kids have gone off to college, maybe it's their rooms that still has some stuff in it, maybe it's the basement that you're not down there very much. You want to start working on those areas right away. As you're going through those areas, number 2 is you want to make sure that you're tossing and donating during this time. So I always recommend having 3 piles as you're doing this. You're going to have a toss pile, which is basically, I don't want this anymore, it's trash, etc. You're going to have a donate pile, which would go to Goodwill or St. Vincent's de Paul. And number 3 is you've got your stuff that you're packing in the boxes as you're going. Number 3 is you're going to want to make sure that you get your supplies early. So you're going to want to head to Lowe's, Home Depot, or Menards, get yourself your heavy duty packing tape. You're going to want to make sure that you get a tape dispenser. Now, I always recommend the tape guns. They're a little bit easier to use. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're worth the investment because it does make it go a lot faster when you're taping those boxes up. You're going to want to make sure you have some black markers so you're labeling all your boxes as well as you're going. And lastly, you want to start early on looking for your movers. Now, if you're fortunate enough that you're going to have a mover move you, you want to start calling moving companies. They're going to have to come to your home, do a walkthrough, give you an estimate, etc. A lot of moving companies will provide boxes, but I also recommend that you go get some boxes when you're getting your supplies just to make sure you have a few extras on hand, different sizes. And if you actually have to move yourself, you want to start calling your friends and family, tell them the date that you need to move out, and basically rally them to help you and start coordinating that and pay them with like pizza or beer or whatever it is, wine, to get them motivated to come help you move during that time. Now, if you have any questions and you live in the Indianapolis area or you need some assistance in selling your home, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Have a great day.